Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got VL Watch Faces back in the building again, and this guy is getting down. Keep your eye on this guy. If you have not checked out his lineup, go and have a peek. My man is doing this thing with watch faces. Now, the name of this one is called VL Sporty. I like the look. It is geared toward exercising, and it offers other features as well. Now, looking at this in the AOD mode, you are going to get a different look between the Gears 3 and the Gears 2, but you are going to be able to get your digital time and your information at a glance with no problem. Once the watch face is on, here's where the uniqueness kicks in with this watch face. I love the triangle design look. I like the way my man really stepped outside of the box and got creative with this one. So yes, I am giving them 3 thumbs up in the door. Now, in this triangle effect, you are going to get information on your digital time, your date, the day of the week, and you also get information on the year. Now, if you look to the left, you're going to get your step information, right? But what I like about it, I like the icon for your steps. It shows footprints instead of your usual icon that you normally would see for steps. That was nice. You come down, you're going to get your heart rate information. To the right of that, you're going to be able to set an alarm, make a phone call, go into your contacts, also find your phone, which is definitely a nice feature. And you come down, I really love this battery gauge info. I like the look. It really brings out the watch face, but overall, my man got down on this one. Now, if you look at the red part of the triangle, you get animated seconds. I thought that was super slick. This guy is doing his thing. And yes, it is interactive, so if you need to go into your steps, single tap and you're there. Same thing with setting an alarm, making a phone call, and finding your phone. So again, I'm liking the look. You got to hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. And yes, you can go into your battery gauge. It is interactive as well. And I'm liking the look, people. I'm liking what this guy brought to the table, but check this out. You can double tap and you can change the color theme of this watch face to whichever one you want to set it to. He has several for you to check out. I'm telling you, this is definitely worth the download. But again, it's all up to you. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, subscribe to the channel so you'll never miss another video. And again, as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.